Hello and welcome back to Roy's the Boy. Now in today's video it's going to be about how to fix a plastic fuel cap. So let's go and have a look at it. Alright, okay, well this is the fuel cap. As you can see, really this should be thrown away and getting a new one. But my friend, he wants this if possible for tomorrow. I will be ordering him a new one, and I said I will have a go to see if I could fix this for now, because his van is smelling badly of fuel, and it stops getting a vacuum inside the generator for it, so he won't get a good flow either. So I'm going to attempt to fix this with a soldering iron. Just by heating plastic. I have done this in the past. I think I've done it onto another video, and I've also done it with fuel tanks as well, and to stop them leaking. So let's get the soldering iron ready and we'll have a go. Alright, so where I'm fixing this really is heating it up as I go along and just trying to spread the plastic over. And if I do go too deep and melt too much plastic, what I do, I just get an old cable tie and heat up the plastic. It's like soldering, just to add into it. And also it's going to be a bit hard. I can't get this this aluminium cap off, but I will try, and as you can see in the inside of it, you can see inside there, you can see where my finger's coming through inside there. I will try and heat it inside if possible. But this is just going to be a temporary fix, but I do fix these quite a lot really, and it does the job. Okay, we're going to start by to hit the camera in. I'm going to start on this bit here first. So my soldering iron is up to scratch. So then just gently along the line, just go inside it like that. And just gently doing it like that, heating it up, and then get the fledge right, we'll let that bit cool down. Just for a minute, and then I'll add a bit of plastic on top of that just to seal it properly, I should say. So we'll let that cool down. Right, okay, that's cooled down a bit now. So this bit here, which was broken, and if I push it up there now, that bit is tight. So now I'm going to gradually go bit by bit all the way around and do it. So push it tight, go along the line, go into the deep plastic just to melt it inside. Heating up the plastic as you go along. That was a bit too deep, that one, so I will be adding plastic to it once it's cooled down. Okay, we'll let that cool down. Okay, we'll start doing another bit now because that's cooled down. See, going inside. Quite a bit inside it, and then just moving the plastic down again. And it makes a horrible mess of it. It don't really look nice. Oops, I went a bit too hard. I think that one went through. But I will be adding plastic to it afterwards. Now what I've done, because it does get quite hot and it stays hot for quite a time I should say. So what I've done, I've got my air gun here. Just to cool that down. I'm just checking it's still a bit hot. Okay, just tidy that up a bit. That's it. Right, okay, so if I test, soldering iron moving, just gonna test it a bit more. See, as you can see, it's not moving up. I'm pushing it inside and it ain't moving. So now I'm going to go on to another bit. This will probably even do the job permanently, but I'm going to recommend to him to buy another one, because if this one ever does go again, he'll have one handy, ready to use. If he doesn't use it, he don't use it. But I think they're only about £8 to £9, I think, new. I haven't really looked up, but that's what equivalent some of the other ones are for a new cap. Let's not go too much there. So what I'll do now as well, I'll just show you quickly. Oops, I just dropped that bit. Right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to just to stick something to sit that on. That's it. Just how I put a bit of plastic on. So you just heat up a cable tie. Get the plastic off of it. Okay, so it's on the soldering iron now. Oh no, I think it's there. So just heat it up and just spread the plastic around, just to build it up a bit. And I'll do another bit on this one. Okay, so it's on there, and then just heating it roughly where the crack was. Like so. So I will tidy that up, because all you do is you just spread it around, and that's all there is to that. Right, okay people, there you are. Let's get it up a bit closer for you. Started from here, gone all the way around to there, and deep in the back. So if I give it a push now from the inside, that is not moving at all. And that's how you fix a petrol fuel cap. So there you have it, people. Just a quick fix, short video, and that's how to fix a plastic fuel cap, just by soldering it, or using a soldering iron I should say, and if needed to just add some plastic onto it as well, and it seals it up. So that's it from this video. So if you did like this one, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget that little grey notification bell down the bottom, and then you will see more videos of mine in the future. So until next time, cheerio.